PDYN stock analysis. Next week and onward, is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So I'm looking at Palladyne AI. It's a 11.4% decrease today. From what I'm seeing, I'm genuinely just looking to do what? Continue and double down on the long side. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors over the last 4 years. 36,000 videos have been made. Refining, just trial and error. The way that I'm looking at PDYN is just I'm still genuinely looking to take things up. Like, I don't know if you caught this before, but I was waiting for my confirmation in here and I just never got it. The second break just never gave me rules. So the only thing that I'm looking to do right now is only buy again if I see a double shift. That's the crucial part of, like, not a lot of people, not a lot of traders get. Maybe you get it, but my bad. Confirmation, right? Without real signs of this wanting to go up by giving me the like of accumulation, I'm just not going to buy. So if you want to make more money trading in a very simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.